What up, boys? Welcome back to The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the most requested comments that I get, and that is, Scott, how do I get my beard so straight? Now, we're gonna jump right into this, and there's no list. We're just gonna be talking about regiments. We're gonna start right there, actually, is that the beard, the straightening of the beard, it all comes down to a certain regiment that everyone can adhere to that can really help them out when it comes to having a straight looking beard. So let's start right there is a regiment. We need to have a regiment to have a nice looking beard in general, let alone a straight one. So the first thing that we need to do on our list is going to be grooming. We need to have a nice schedule of grooming throughout the day. We don't want to have a messy beard when we wake up. We don't want to just go out along our day. For me at least, I love to get in the shower. I think that's the first thing that's probably going to start out for you guys is going to be the shower. I shampoo and I condition both the hair and the beard. For some reason, a lot of guys do the co-wash, which I totally understand. But if you want to have that nice groomed, salon style beard, you got to wash it every day. Now, obviously washing our beard's one thing, but we got to use conditioner. Even Artius Man's got some great conditioners that you can use, but we've got to use it on a daily basis. This is going to soften up our hairs. It's going to relax them. That way, when we're getting out of the shower, we're applying that heat. It's going to be a nice, easy way to manipulate those hairs into a nice straight look. Now, that being said, as we're getting out of the shower, we gotta use a brush or a comb, okay? It doesn't matter if it's a styling brush, if it's a boar bristle brush, we've got to use something to bring down our beard. If we just let it go, we don't use any heat, it's just gonna be this big poof ball. And throughout the day, we're gonna be using that brush or comb to maintain that look throughout the day. And this is part of the process and regiment. If we're letting that beard go crazy and wild, we're not keeping it tamed where it needs to lay and straight. Now, after we've combed out our beard, we're gonna be using product. I like using a balm over oil. Even using butter would probably be even better, but a thicker agent that we can put in our beard is gonna help out even more. It's gonna put a little bit more weight in our beard, thus giving it more of a straight, thicker look. So if we use that comb and we use that product right throughout that day, our beards should lay straight all the way through. And then when the night comes, I want you guys to use a utility balm or something of a sorts of a butter to put in your beard as a conditioner through the night. That way when you wake up, you'll actually still have some product, some nice heavy weight in your beard. That way when you, like I said, go into the shower, your beard's already soft, and thus is the regiment. We want to create that soft, malleable, elastic hair. That way when we're brushing it out, we're putting some heat into it, we're gonna have that nice straight beard that we want. And this is just staying consistent, okay? If we, get stale and we get off the track, it's just like working out, right? If we stop working out, we're not gonna get the achievements that we want. So make sure to stay true to that regiment. Get in that shower, wash, use conditioner, use heat, and use tools, all right? So if you go down to the description, I've got some products in there that can help you guys out, links, promo codes there. So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya!